Hi. So, Kent, what's your job here on the crew?
I am the commander of mission 329, the Mars Express. I was commander of through 124 way back in the day. I was astronomer of crew 32 way back in the day. So I've been around a while. I also helped build the dome, the original skeleton. So I'm steering committee chair of the Mars Society, and I am thrilled to be on this mission.
Oh, hell yeah. Matthias?
Hello, my name's Matthias Beach. I am up here from our analog down in Arizona, Oracle, Arizona actually. Biosphear2 called SAM, which is a space analog for the moon of Mars. I am the master builder down there. For this mission, I am the health and safety officer, and I am the green hat officer. So kind of got a little debriefing this morning on the plants that we're going to take care of. So we'll have some fresh food when we're in there. Yeah, I think that's it for now. Yeah, sure.
And they're here.
Okay.
This is Brad.
Hey, I'm Brad. I'm going to be the astronomer and I guess communications. I don't know if that's the assignment officially. I already climbed a mountain to try to fix a communications device. And so, yeah, we're excited.
Then, last night, that's here.
Resident science nerd, Cody Reader. YouTube extraordinaire. Guy who knows rocks.
I like rocks. And I'm Peter, Crew XO, and we're going to have a blast time. Like I said, check us out on MDRS.live and on our channels, Cody's channel, Cody's Lab, of course. And we're going to have so much cool stuff coming in the next few days. And the exclusives are one place, MDRS.live. Peace!